In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to sell a $5,000 mentoring program step by step. Literally, there's 5 steps. Okay, my name is Edward Cash. I personally scaled my own online info business into multiple six-figure annual info business, and now I help coaches and mentors scale their own online info business through personal branding. So, step number 1 is to remove limiting beliefs. Okay, most people when they start selling, they want to sell a high-ticket coaching offer that is worth over 5K. They're gonna have these limited beliefs, like no way people are gonna pay me 5K for just one coaching program. But here's the thing: you can sell, and I also used to have those limited beliefs. When I used to have a $50 per month offer. I was selling $50 per month community, and the thing is, I was making like 1.5K because I had like 30 clients in, right, pay me $50 per month. Right, that's nothing. That's very low ticket in the very low end. And everything changed when I switched. I removed this and I created my first high ticket offer, coaching offer. First, it was like 2K. And I had these crazy limited beliefs. I was like, there's no way people are gonna pay me 2K for just one coaching offer. It was like a 90-day program. And back then I was teaching trading, right? That's the first niche that I started in. I was like, there's no way people are gonna pay me $2,000 per client until I got my first client. Okay, that's the thing. That's what changed everything for me. Those limited beliefs, they were gone. And then eventually I got some testimonials, this and that. I made the program even better. I raised the price to 5K per client. Okay, and usually people paid like 2.5K plus 2.5K in sets or 5K upfront. That made me realize that people are willing to invest if they really trust you and they really want to get the value and the problem solved. That's why I always tell you that you should post content that solves problems, okay? And that's where the step number 2 comes in play, okay? I know the step number 1 just showed a line because it takes time to draw this shit. I mean, write this shit because, it's a whiteboard. But regardless, step number 2 is to pick the right niche that actually can convert these people into buying customers. And there's pretty much 3 categories that most people are gonna pay a lot of money to solve that problem in niches, right? There's health, let's put it in H, there's wealth, that's W, and there's relationships. Okay, health. There's plenty of fat guys out there who cannot even get out from their bed. That's a huge problem. So they reach out to coaches who can coach them and pay them a lot of money eventually. Wealth. Everyone wants to get rich, right? This is part of the wealth category, niche. Also, my first niche was also trading, so it's wealth, right? People want to get rich. People are struggling financially. They want to get a mentor that can guide them to riches, and they will invest in the mentorship, okay? And relationships. There's people who are struggling with their relationships, okay? There's plenty of problems. They cannot get girls. This and that, yada, yada. There's problems, okay? And that's the thing. There's problem in these 3 categories. And when there's a problem, people are willing to invest to solve that problem, okay? So you have to choose. How do you choose that? How do you choose from these 3 categories? You have to look at a problem that you solved in your life, okay, previously. What is it? Maybe you had a fitness transformation. You went from 0 to 10K, 0 to 20K, or 0 to 5K with your cleaning company. Then you start going to the wealth niche, right? You start teaching people how to start your cleaning company, okay? And to be specific, it's not a wealth niche, it's a wealth category. The niche, it's a sub-niche, the cleaning company, right? You teach people how to clean. Or in relationships, maybe you had some issues in your relationships, you solved it, and now you start to solve it for others, etc., and you start posting. The thing is, you cannot just sell immediately that program and make money. You have to start posting free content just like this so that they start to trust you. They start to see you as an authority. And that's where step number 3 comes in play. Become the authority, all right? You have to become an authority in that niche. People need to look up to you. They need to trust you. How do you become that authority? Okay, people are not going to pay you thousands of dollars for the mentoring if they don't see you as an authority. Let me give you an example. People who are not necessarily an authority. People who talk about everything on social media, okay? They talk about, one day they talk about fitness, the other day they talk about money, then they talk about relationships, then they talk about some freaking BS shit. They entertain people, etc., etc. They're not seen as an authority because an authority is one guy who solved one problem, who talks about one specific problem and educates people on that problem, right? That's how you become an authority. And for me, example, when I started my trading info business, I talked about trading. I became the authority in trading because I only talked about trading strategies, this and that, blah, 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 blah. And then obviously people start to pay me a lot of money because they see me as an authority. They see me as the solution. Now I help coaches and mentors scale their online for business. Now I'm an authority in that, right? You have to become an authority. Again, if you had that fitness transformation, you went from skinny to ripped, you start posting about that topic only. And guess what? Sooner or later, you are going to become the authority and people start to trust you. And they're going to be like, well, obviously I trust this guy. I see him as an authority. He's a solution. So let me invest some money to his program and become better. Step number 4, very important. Give a lot of free stuff away for free. Let's say this is a gift right here. Okay, this is a gift. You start giving a lot of value for free in your social media. Just like this, free videos, free guidance, not free coaching, but you start to give a lot of value for free. You start to give out for free ebooks to collect their emails, free courses to get their emails, and you sell the implementation, the coaching, the guidance, the step-by-step protocol, the freaking scaling plan, everything. You start selling that. And that's the method, okay? Because people, again, that's how you also become an authority, because you give so much for free. You prove that you know what you're doing. You show your expertise, and that's the method also, okay? And also that's a psychology principle of reciprocity. When you give a lot of value for free, when you give a lot of free gifts, people feel obligated to give something in return later on, okay? So that's also the method. Give a lot of stuff for free. There's plenty of guys out there who are not succeeding in their business because they just gatekeep everything. They put a paywall in front of everything. You should only put a paywall to coaching, to mentoring, to step-by-step guidance, okay? That's the method. All right, and step number 5, you need to flex not cars, but your student testimonials. Your student testimonials, when they actually join your program, you need to make sure that they actually succeed in that thing. They give you a result, they get results, they give you a testimonial, and those testimonials give you sales on autopilot. Okay, those are that is the biggest asset that you can have in your business, your actual student testimonials. Most people flex cars and lifestyle and this and that. Well, they want to sell a 5K mentorship, but when they flex cars and this and that, they get beginner audience. They get audience that is full of beginners, people who don't have money, who don't know anything, because they believe about the lifestyle, this and that. Look, man, that's not necessarily going to work because you're trying to sell a very high ticket mentorship. And also you attract people who are very stupid, beginners, they don't have money. They believe that, they can become rich by listening to some guy who flexes cars, this and that. So just educate them. Okay, usually flexing lifestyle, this and that, it gets more views, but in the end, less money. Okay, now if you get a lot of views by teaching people, that's just the method. Okay, that's just wow. Okay, make sure to take these steps seriously, otherwise it's not gonna work. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and subscribe. As usual, I'll see you on the other side. Peace out.